What is a data warehouse? Think about a well-organized supermarket. Products are cleanly arranged, labeled, and easy to find. A data warehouse works in a very similar way. A data warehouse stores data that has already been cleaned, transformed, and structured so it can be queried quickly for analytics and reporting. Unlike a data lake, this data is not raw. It is carefully designed to answer business questions efficiently, such as total sales, customer growth, or revenue trends. If the data lake is the storage room behind the supermarket, the data warehouse is the front shelf where customers pick items. Everything is organized in a way that makes analysis fast and predictable. In real projects, tools like Snowflake, BigQuery, or Azure Synapse are used to build data warehouses that store sales data, customer data, and aggregated metrics. Business users, analysts, and dashboards depend heavily on data warehouses because queries are fast and results are consistent. The trade-off is that data warehouses are less flexible than data lakes. Changing schemas or business logic takes more effort, but in return, you get speed, consistency, and reliability, which are critical for decision making.